In this session, let us learn about HTML formatting. HTML contains several elements for defining text with a special meaning. See the example and result. See here code, doc type HTML, P, B, this text is bold, B element and P element, see B element and I element, this text is italic, see P element and sub element, subscript, see here and superscript. See the text is bold, the text is italic, this is subscript and this superscript. See the and code and result here. HTML formatting elements. Formatting elements were designed to display special types of text. B element bold text, strong element important text, I element italic text, EM element emphasized text, mark element marked text, small element smaller text, dill element deleted text, INS element inserted text, sub element subscript text, sub element superscript text. HTML B element and strong elements. The HTML B element defines bold text without any extra importance. See the example code and result. See here the P is text is normal. See here we are using B element here, the text is bold. See the text printed in bold. The HTML strong element defines text with strong importance. The content inside is typically displayed in bold. See here doc type strong HTML body. So P is text, this is normal. P here now we are using strong element here. This is strong, this text is important. See here this text is normal. See this text is important. The result is printed strong. HTML I and EM elements. The HTML I element defines a part of text in an alternative voice or mode. The content inside is typically displayed in italic. Tip: the I tag is often used to indicate a technical term, a phrase from another language, a thought, a ship name, etc. See here, this is normal. See, now we are using here I element here. This text is italic. See the result, it's printed in italic. The HTML EM element defines emphasized text. The content inside is typically displayed in italic. Tip: a screen reader will pronounce the words in EM with an emphasis using verbal stress. See here, this text is normal. Now here we are using EM element. See this text is emphasized. See here this text is emphasized. HTML small element. HTML small element defines smaller text. See here in this code we are using the small element. See the result, the letters printed in small. The HTML mark element. The HTML mark element defines text that should be marked or highlighted. See here my bike was. Now here we are using mark element before black color. See here my bike was black color. See here the black was marked with yellow color. HTML dill element. The HTML dill element defines text that has been deleted from a document. Browsers will usually strike a line through deleted text. See here the doc type HTML. See here my favorite color is, see now we are using here dill element yellow. So my favorite color is yellow orange. See yellow was striked. HTML INS element. The HTML INS element defines a text that has been inserted into a document. Browsers will usually underline inserted text. See here my favorite color is, now here using dill element yellow and the INS for orange. See the result, my favorite color is yellow was striked because we used dill element. On orange we used INS element. HTML sub elements. The HTML sub element defines subscript text. Subscript text appears half a character below the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. Subscript text can be used for chemical formulas like H2O. See here, this is, see here we used subscript before subscripted. See this is subscripted text. The result printed this. HTML sub element. The HTML SUP element defines superscript text. Superscript text appears half a character above the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. Superscript text can be used for footnotes like PGK 1 like that. See here, now we are using this is superscripted text. See here the result printed like this. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 9, HTML formatting. In next video let us learn about another topic, HTML quotation and citation elements. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.